Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this brand new video, I want to show you how you can easily download or install the ZenGo app on your iOS device. So, without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, head towards the app, which is App Store, and in the search bar, you can just type in the keyword ZenGo. After hitting the search button, you can find various options here, but for now, we want to download the original one. So, let's click the first available here. Okay, in the interface, you can find out screenshots and reviews. Let's click the Get to start the download process. If you are installing it for the first time, you will be asked for your ID verification. Verify your identity either with Face ID or Touch ID, and it will begin the download process. You can see the progress bar right here. As for your internet speed, it will download in no time. Okay guys, finally, the progress bar has been converted into the open button. Let's click on here to explore the app. You can explore the app by yourself. ZenGo app is at your fingertips. Explore the app yourself. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.